Negasngi Menteri Rengba Kesorkar Jela Konrad Sangma Debo Uya Umu Yurim Vouchna ya ke Dairy Campus Hapok ke National Program for Dairy Development NPDD Hachnong Mukhla Langshore West Giant Hill District Hagayalang Wada Emlang UMLA Kejuai Wailat Miki Shella UGHP Raju Principal Secretary ke chna Veterinary and Animal Husbandry de pentip uwagani ke kampus daw chna ya ka heilut kam wakandi klur lengba iyo poisa na ka NPDD we daw yarap bago yaki kenthai kamju ki kharu khlut wo sengki sengkre ki dei wapsan maran wailat miki shela hawe ye klam da ongu wa ikam san maran man go ko he du hapo gari we ipen kre kam ya ka NPDD hapo ka district daw sakhi ye roy ikam san maran hapo ka district dei wakentu we e nong muna wa ki bru wapsan gi ki mesidu wo yo do tang wa wat wo yo dut le kamju ya iwa ye wo chna bam hagyo bon irukom niliang Konrad da ongu wa kesorkar da yele bhago wa wanra ya ki kampen roy liang wanang hapo ke jela kam tam ki kampen roy wo yo ki yo kre ki khenro khlon da ongu wa san pha hajar ngut mi ki khenro khlot hapo ke jela ki wa em kam kre man usnem iwo mut wa em kam wo sen kre ne benta yong ki wa ikam ram kesorkar to wa wailat yo yo kre ki wara Cucu da ongu wa ke NPDD man go ko em kam baha ha ke jela we kat ni khat ar liters idut ha ke chi banai petmi ke jela kat wa pen em kam ko ar spa liters we kam kani ke program daw ye ko wo pendap ye waduna kani ka thau dairy campus ko wakhande klur daw ye ko ikre ye ki arajar ngut ki bru we de bo thong wo chna pendap ye ka hapo khon chaklat arajar ar phau ar hewa nei liang jong ole daw bud dinu ye ni kre.
This project is one of the parts in the process to create that livelihood, to ensure that we shorten the gap between the demand and supply, and in the whole process create value for our farmers and the cooperative societies. This center itself will benefit over 2,000 farmers, mostly women, and we expect that this place alone can give a production of close to 150,000 liters, and that is approximately 60 crores of revenue per month. So that's the kind of overall financial benefit that this project will give to the people of this area. And therefore, I wish this project the very best. I was told by the director and the principal secretary that they will be able to complete this project within this calendar year itself. So I look forward to seeing that this project is completed by November 2022, so that the work and the production and the facilities that are supposed to be provided can be given to the people. I will urge my team of the Chief Minister's Secretariat to monitor the project every month, and I would like to see the progress report of this project and the photographs every month to be sent to my office. So I would request the Deputy Commissioner also to ensure that it is monitored and ensure that this project is completed before the end of this calendar year. We need to create 50,000 new jobs every year for our youth, and that is a huge challenge. And realizing this challenge and the growth in the youth population, the government has started to embark on different ways of creating livelihood. Whether it is the agriculture sector, whether it's the animal husbandry sector, whether it's the tourism sector, or other service sectors like the IT sector. We realize that government jobs can be created in a limited manner, but it is only through entrepreneurship, it is only through different self-help group movements, different cooperative movements, will we be able to create the livelihood that is required for the people. And that is why this particular dairy campus under the National Program for Dairy Development is a very crucial program for us. We realize that in our state, we have roughly a production of about 1,20,000 or 12 lakh liters. Is it 12 lakh liters? 12 lakh liters